Alright, so within this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use the annotation and notes feature within Google Classroom. A couple of things have already taken place here in order to show how this works, and that is a teacher has already distributed an assignment to their students, and in this case a student has submitted their assignment. As you can see here, example student 10 has submitted their animal adaptations assignment. And so as a teacher, what I can do, as long as I have a mobile device and the Google Classroom app downloaded on my device, as you can see I'm on an iPad here and I'm within the Google Classroom app already, I can go into this student's assignment. So I select their Google slide, and the assignment called for the student to go into slide 5 and to show what they learned when it comes to animals gathering and storing food. So within this text box, this Google slide was set up for students to submit their answers and turn it in. So what the annotation tool allows teachers to do is to go up and select this highlighting tool right up here, and that kind of puts the teacher into edit mode. So now what they're able to do is, now that they have these set of tools down here at the bottom, they can go in and mark up this assignment however they want to. Now maybe these norms have already been set up and the students know what type of feedback they're going to be receiving because of color, or maybe it's through editing marks that they know of. Whatever it might be that's already set up, hopefully that expectation has already been set. So I'm going to use the example of green is telling students that they need to capitalize. And maybe I'm going to change over to the color purple, and that shows students that they have a sentence that is a run-on that they need to change. And then maybe red is showing that they used a word incorrectly. And after that, I can then give them some actual written feedback, just like I were to do on an actual piece of binder paper, but in this case it's a digital copy. So I could say, nice work, but we need to work on proofreading. Something to that effect, right? So again, the plus with this is that teachers can now go in and make comments just as if they were writing on a piece of paper to then turn back to students. So what this does, once they're finished making their annotations, the teacher can then click Save up here in the upper right hand corner. And once they save it, you can see that it's turning this Google Doc or this Google slide into a PDF, as it's showing right here. And that is now going to be what the students will click into to look at their feedback from their teacher using the annotation tool. So it's a fantastic way for teachers to be able to jump into an assignment that students have completed and submitted, and to annotate the paper away just as if they were writing on a regular piece of paper.